This video describes how to prepare your NetBeans project files for submission in Blackboard. Shown here is a Blackboard project. I've scrolled down past the top, past the assignment information, down to the assignment submission area. Depending on the class, you may be required to write a text submission, but in this video we're going to focus on the attachment of files using the Browse My Computer button. Before you can browse your computer for the single zip file that you're going to be attaching, we're going to have to make that zip file. So to NetBeans. Here is a sample project in NetBeans. You can see it's extremely simple. It consists of 2 files, and of course it has a project in NetBeans associated with it. So I'm looking at these in NetBeans, and I need to find this on my actual disk in order to hand it in. If you can't remember where this is, or you may have multiple versions and you want to make double certain that you know which one you're handing in, you know this is the one you want to hand in, take a minute, right-click the project, and say Properties, just so you know exactly where that is living. So now that I've looked at this path, I know where I can go on disk to find it. Having done this, I will cancel out of the dialog, and I'm actually going to quit NetBeans here just to make sure that nothing is running, nothing is being modified at the time that I'm trying to submit my project. This is not 100% necessary to do, but it's just safe, a safety check for you. So quitting NetBeans and switching to my Finder window, where I happen to already be inside my Documents Seaside Projects folder. If I just pop open this folder, I can see this is indeed a NetBeans project folder with my source down in here. So the thing that I want to zip is this. Right-click, compress on the Mac. It creates a zip file in the same folder. Head over to your Blackboard window, browse my computer, and go look for it again in the same folder where you are. Select the zip file and click Open. And then if you need to make changes, you can choose to not attach it. At this point, you can save draft if you just want to save it for later to work on. If you're working between home and school, for example, or if you're ready to hand in, go ahead and click Submit.